Hi, my name is Ramon Alzate. I am 47 years old. I am from Medellin, Colombia. I live with my wife and my daughter in Medellin. I am a mechanical technology and I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is work. My favorite TV show is new and my favorite sport is football. I am a short person and I have short hair. My skin color is white and I wear glasses. The members of family are my daughter that is called Isabella and my wife that is called Marina. My daughter is 19 years old. She is lovely, intelligent, and responsible and feel so proud of her. She is studying civil engineering and would every day to the university or books in her free time. She like go to the gym and she like to hang out with her friends. My wife Marina is 45 years old. She is focused on me when I am at home. My wife is a merchant. When I arrive from work, I like to have a word with my wife and my daughter. Eventually, we go to visit my mom, who is called Cruz Elena. My mother is 70 years old. She likes pine and cook. Every waking with at her house.